removing the aluminum foil, you place the butter back into the microwave. Okay, well, we're gonna assume the butter's good.
It's only the last one. Dale.
They're racing, Dale.
I know, how cruel is this? Mom gets up extra early, makes a whole plate of German pancakes with powdered sugar and everything. And she's taking it to Mops.
You're right. What I need to do is start making 2 whenever I do this so that we can have one and then we can have one to share.
Deal.
Okay, so Mops is mothers of preschoolers and it officially starts today. Our first breakfast meet is this morning, and so that's why I prepared this German pancakes dish. So we're gonna just get together, have some breakfast. We're gonna do a fun craft, play some games, and yeah, just pretty much introduce the year out. So I get to be one of the co-coordinators this year, so I'm very grateful for that opportunity, and I'm really excited to kind of get started. So.
All right, Mops is all done. What do you want to do today? Ooh. Let's take a nap.
Naps sound
Hello.
Well, you know what? In 1 week, we'll be there.
Yeah, Nana's coming to your house.
In 1 week, Papa and I will be there.
That's so exciting!
And now I just looked at the calendar. I thought, oh my goodness, hey Dale, how are you, buddy? Can I see Papa? Papa's up at his desk. We'll go find him. Steve's waiting on it. I told him, I said, we're going to be there in a week.
Does it get the thumbs up?
What's going on, Pirate Dale? On that note, I think we're gonna call it a night. Can you say goodnight?
I'll do a backflip now. I'll do a backflip.
Okay, end it with a backflip.
Okay, end it with a backflip.
Whee! Whee!
Ta-da! Say goodnight.
Good night, you chicken.
Just kind of like,
So we were having fun.
you hold still?
What happens?
Yeah.